I'm Sean Callagy, and we're Callagy Law. If you're watching this video, it's because you or a loved one has had some level of a brain injury. There's an incredibly wide array of brain injuries, but one of the great challenges when somebody has an accident and suffers trauma to their brain is that it's sometimes difficult to document, understand, and prove. And a lot of physicians, and certainly the insurance companies, are going to say in a lot of these situations that there's not a real injury. Well, we're Callagy Law. We believe that people have traumatic brain injuries and have very real consequences from them. Then you need to get the appropriate medical documentation and care to not only get better, but to make sure what you're suffering from is appropriately documented. If you look at the cases that the NFL went through, for so long, so many of those injuries are being completely ignored. And the state of research and technology in the world of documenting brain injuries and understanding them at a much higher level is at a place that it's never been before. So you really want to make sure that you're working with people that are going to be caring, urgent, and aggressive when it comes to researching, connecting with the appropriate physicians to document your brain injury and to also help get it better if it's humanly possible to do so. So the question really is, what is caring, urgency, and aggression in the context of dealing with a traumatic brain injury? Well, it's first of all, do you have the empathy? Do you have somebody who really cares? Do you think that the folks that you're dealing with, are you a number to them, or do you really matter? That's caring, genuine empathy. Do you feel it? Is it authentic? Urgency is that they have the energy to go get it done. Is time, like, move along quickly, or they're always telling you to be patient, they're not answering phone calls? Do you get somebody the phone right away when you need somebody? Well, that's what you deserve and you should have in every situation. When it comes to aggression, the question becomes, are they going to fearlessly pursue everything to do with your claim, or kind of their own self-interest, right? Because if you're handling a case on a contingency, there are some attorneys that are going to do the least amount of work possible and try to get a quick and easy settlement. We at Callagy will have 2 top 100 national jury verdicts, both in cases we were told we couldn't win. One was a $27 million and one was a $33 million verdict. We have experience in traumatic brain injury cases, we have experience in documenting those cases, and we're asking you the question of, would you be willing to call us at 201-261-1700 and give us an opportunity to talk to you, listen to you, and hear you out, and for you to decide whether or not we're the right people for you. We feel confident that we will be. We just ask you for that privilege to have that conversation. Again, I'm Sean Callagy with Callagy Law, 201-261-1700, and if we never speak again, my heart goes out because one of the most difficult things for people to deal with is a traumatic brain injury. Thanks.